Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second video of our playlist UI path coded agents, and in this video we are focusing mainly on how to install the latest Python versions. So the question is, why Python? Because as I have mentioned before, the framework which we are planning to use for agentic is LangChain, and officially LangChain is supported for two languages. One is Python and JavaScript, and out of which Python is most flexible option for building agents, or not just building agents, AI related. Most of the things are actually more flexible in Python. That is the reason why we are installing Python. So now the first question is, you need to understand what is the version of Python which is installed in your machine, on whether you have installed it or not. For that, you can actually go to command prompt. Either you can click on start button and then cmd. If you type, you will see command prompt. Click on command prompt, and if you want to see the version which you have already installed in your machine, Python hyphen version, this is the command which you can actually use to understand the Python version. So if you see here, since I have not installed Python, I don't have any version, but if you have installed it, it will show you the version which is installed in your machine. So how to install the Python is the next questions. Okay, so for installing the Python, click on Chrome, go to Python official website. Let's click on select the user, go to Python official website. You will see the Python official website. Go to python.org, mouse over on downloads. If you see here, there are two options are there. Go for get the standalone installer for Python 3.1 4.2. This is the latest current version. Click on that. Okay, go to the folder, open this one. Okay, so if you see here, the install window will come. You can actually install this from here, which includes ideally pip and documentation, everything. But to see like what all options are there, we will go through the customized installation options. But before that, make sure that you are clicking on this one and add python.exe to the environment variable. So select these options so that you don't need to do it manually. Click on customize installations. If you see here, by default, everything will be checked. You can keep it the same, and it includes the IDLE also, which is the development environment for the Python. We might not be using IDLE, but keep in mind that IDLE is also one of the options for the development of the Python. So click on next. So I can select 3.1 for all users, even though it doesn't make much sense because this is my private laptop. But if you are actually doing from an enterprise level, and if you have the admin options, you can actually use this option. These all are fine. Keep it like the same. Click on install. This will initialize the process. Let's wait for the setup to complete. And also one point you have to notice that what we have selected is Python for Windows. If you are actually doing from a different systems or Linux, you need to go for that particular selection option and you have to install in the same format. Now if you see the setup is completed, we'll click on the close button. So now the installation part is done. Now we need to confirm that the Python is installed successfully. And if you remember, there is an option called as IDLE was there. Or what we can do is like we'll go to the command prompt. Now we'll type the same. We'll type Python version. Now if you see, the Python version is coming as expected, and it is the same version which we have downloaded. Or what we can go is like we'll go to the programs, add or remove programs to see like whether Python is getting displayed there. We can search for Python. If you see, you can see the Python options are there, 3.4.12. And if you want to uninstall that one, you can actually come here and uninstall the Python at a later stage if required. Otherwise, we are good. So if you remember, there is an option called as IDLE, which is known as the Python development environment. If you come here and search for IDLE, there is an option called as Python here. So let's create a Python file, create a new file, and let's say that a very simple hello message I'm typing here. Okay, so now I need to save this file somewhere in the path. Just click on save. I'll go to the downloads, and then this is my first Python code. And automatically it will be in Python files, which is fine. Now coming here, run module. you see it actually represented the hello message. That means we have the Python environment ready. We are good to run the Python files. One thing I want to highlight is that even though ideally is a simple format of Python development environment, the most convenient options and which is a free option and which contains more and more interactive options is Visual Studio Code. So going forward, we won't be using ideally for writing our codes. Instead, we'll be using Visual Studio Code. How to install Visual Studio and all, we'll cover it in the next sessions. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.